The next superfruit that I'd like to discuss is the goji berry. The goji berry is absolutely a phenomenal berry. Now, it has a 4,800 year history. As a matter of fact, the original writings of goji, about goji, were found on the back of a turtle shell 4,800 years ago. Goji was discovered by the father of all herbal medicine. Goji is infamous throughout the world, especially in China. Goji has been used for eye health. Goji has been used for mood health. Goji has been used for liver health. Goji has been used as one of the primary compounds and plants for the kidneys in all of Chinese medicine. Goji has been used by the Chinese military for energy. Goji has been used for to enhance the mood. It's actually called the happy berry, and it's been nicknamed the happy berry for over 2,000 years. Here's one of the interesting things about the goji berry. This goji bush, this small little tree, can actually withstand a temperature change of over 100 degrees in a 24-hour period. So you can have a goji tree that's sitting there in the Himalayan mountains or in the heavenly mountains or somewhere in western Mongolia, and it can be 98 to 100 degrees outside, and 24 to 48 hours later the weather can change and it can turn to 0 degrees or below zero, and the goji tree has the ability to withstand this and live through this. We couldn't do this. Most trees couldn't do this. Most plants can't do this. And that's one of the most unique things about this goji tree or this goji bush. It's called a survival plant. And one of the unique things that people are learning about survival plants is that whenever they have to withstand a really, really harsh environment, they have a complex carbohydrate molecule in the plant. And when it goes through a really harsh environment or a harsh situation or something really difficult like a drought or soil-borne organisms, this complex carbohydrate molecule releases a protein molecule that's designed to do one thing and one thing only: protect the plant. I believe, nutritionists believe, many naturopathic doctors believe that it's this protein molecule, that it's these compounds that this tree, that this bush releases, that if we get that in our body is one of the reasons why goji is so healing. Do you know that the goji berry contains compounds that are found in no other food on this entire planet? These compounds are called lycium barbarum polysaccharides, and there's been over 80 clinical trials done on the goji berry. In these 80 clinical trials, almost every single one of them has been done on these active compounds, polysaccharides. Lycium barbarum polysaccharide 1, 2, 3, and 4. And through our research, intense research, we have now uncovered, Genesis Pure has uncovered a 5th polysaccharide. It's called LBP5, and we are the only company that has the LBP5. And this is phenomenal for us because we have done so much research and so much investigation into this powerful little red berry. Here's a list of some of the benefits that goji has been proven to provide. Goji Pure provides healthy energy levels and resistance to fatigue. Goji Pure provides support to healthy blood pressure levels, healthy cholesterol levels, and supports the overall entire cardiovascular system. Goji Pure supports a healthy liver and the functioning of the liver. Goji Pure supports healthy eyes, supports healthy aging, supports a positive, healthy mood. Like I said earlier, it's been known as the happy berry for over 2,000 years. Goji Pure supports a healthy immune system, a healthy endocrine system, healthy libido, and much, much more. Goji Pure also helps to support healthy kidneys. In Chinese medicine, they say that the kidneys are the seat of our health. They're the core, they're the foundation of our health. Goji is believed to be one of the most powerful plants and berries and food of any kind for the kidneys. Goji juice contains a very powerful array of naturally occurring nutrients. Let's take a look at some of these nutrients that are found in every single goji berry and that are found in every single ounce of goji pure. Let's talk about the difference between Goji Pure and other Goji products that are on the market. Unfortunately, there are many Goji products on the market. You can buy them anywhere. You can buy them through direct marketing. You can buy them through health food. You can buy them in mass market. Here's the problem with most Goji products on the market. They dilute their goji down, and they start with what we call goji powder. So they'll take the goji and they'll pick it and they'll reduce it down or dry it down to a powder. What this does is this kills much of the polysaccharide content, the LBP1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, which is what all the clinical trials have been done on. Then they bring the powder to the United States and they reconstitute it with water. Then after they reconstitute it with water, they have what they call goji juice. Then they start mixing it with grape juice, blueberry juice, peach juice, apple juice, plum juice, pomegranate juice, and they mix it with all of these different juices. And the two main reasons they do this is to cut cost and to make the product taste really, really good. We say goji is one of the most powerful plants, one of the most powerful berries on the planet. We say that when you consume goji, consume just goji. Consume pure goji. I'd like to read to you our label. Our label is very simple. Supplement Facts says each 1 ounce contains Lycium barbarum polysaccharide juice from the whole goji berry, 30,000 milligrams per 1 ounce. 30,000 milligrams. It's pure goji in every single ounce. Ingredients: 100% wild harvested Lycium barbarum goji from 100% pure whole Lycium barbarum fruit, berries. Other ingredients? None! Exclamation mark. There's nothing else in this product. It's just 100% pure goji. So we say, if you want goji, let's take goji. Let's not take goji cut, diluted, blended down to nothing. Goji is so powerful. And if you look at the clinical trials, all the clinical trials, you will see that not one of those clinical trials was done on a goji product that was mixed with anything else. It was always done on just pure goji, pure Lycium barbarum. And that's what Jenesis Pure is. It's pure goji and it's pure Lycium barbarum. Let's take a look at just a few of the most compelling clinical documents and scientific papers on goji. Something else that we have to be very, very careful of when we consume goji is that in China and in Mongolia, a lot of the companies that are growing and harvesting goji, they process and they produce goji loaded with chemicals. What they do is they spray herbicides, pesticides, fungicides, larvicides, and other chemicals on the trees, on the goji bushes. And they also use certain chemicals in the processing of goji. And Jenesis Pure is pure. We use no chemicals, we allow no pesticides, we allow no contaminants in our products. It's critical that you know the goji that you are buying and that you are consuming is not contaminated with herbicides, pesticides, fungicides, larvicides, heavy metals, or any type of toxin. And every single batch of Genesis Pure, Goji Pure, comes with a certificate of analysis that guarantees 100% that there is absolutely no contaminants, no pesticides, no chemicals, no herbicides, nothing that's harmful for human health. That's critical. That is critical to who we are as a company. Let's go on a journey to Mongolia and China to take a look at our Goji farms and our Goji processing facilities. I think one of the last things that I want to communicate is the level of our dedication and our commitment and our drive to produce the purest and the most potent and the most efficacious product in the world. We care what goes inside these glass bottles, and we are in control of the process from the soil all the way to the picking of the fruit, to the processing, to the transportation, to the importation of the product, to the bottling of the product, to the testing and the chemical analysis, to the clinical testing and testing on my patients. And we follow the entire process from the beginning all the way to your shelf, to your kitchen. And we are dedicated to that entire process.